Today we're going to take a look at how to create a sequence in Premiere Pro. So first we're going to go to File, we're going to click New, and then go to Sequence. So you'll see here that Premiere have some ready-made or built-in presets. If you're working in HD, you can choose any of these, or if you're in ultra high definition or 4K, you can choose one of these. But we're going to go to Settings and we're going to create our own. So on Editing mode, you can see that there are a whole load of options. We're actually just going to stick to Custom. Our time base is our frame rate, so this is all fine at 23.976. Our frame size is our working resolution, so this is 1920 by 1080. We can keep the pixel aspect ratio at square pixels, fields is all good, and then the display format should be the same as our working frame rate, so this is all fine. Our working color space is Rec 709. Audio settings, these are all fine as they are. And then we go to previews, video previews. Now, if you're working on a Mac, you can keep this on QuickTime, and it will give you the option to choose one of the Apple codecs. So ProRes 422 is absolutely fine. Arguably, the quickest or smoothest video playback on Premiere is iframe only MPEG, so we'll be working on this one. Our width and our height, these are the same as our resolution. So we'll change a couple more settings down the bottom here to create a smoother playback. And this will be maximum bit depth and maximum render quality will tick. This can stay the same as well, composite in linear color. It pushes the GPU a little bit, but it gives you a nicer image quality in the edit. So you can save these settings as a preset, or we can just click OK. We'll see our sequences there ready to import our footage. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next one.